Chicken's water should be cleaned out at least once a week using a gallon of hot water and up to 1/3 of a cup of bleach. Scrub in and around your water very well. Then rinse it and fill back up with clean, fresh water. Your chickens need access to water 24/7. Clean, fresh water daily. Water is essential to every aspect of a chicken's metabolism, from body temperature, egg production, and meat birds, their rate of gain. You can purchase any of your chicken water supplies or chicken needs at your local Pool & Grain dealer.